CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser is a widely recognized skincare product formulated to address the needs of normal to oily skin types. It is praised for its capability to cleanse the skin deeply without disrupting the skin barrier, thanks to infusion of ceramides and hyaluronic acid. CeraVe is known for its dermatologist-developed formulas and a keen focus on promoting skin barrier health with foundational ingredients such as ceramides and hyaluronic acid. In today's video, we will break down the numerous benefits of CeraVe's Foaming Facial Cleanser, guiding you through step by step on its correct application. But first, let's understand what makes this cleanser a must-have in your skincare routine. And really, the formulation is rich in ceramides, a type of lipid that plays a vital role in supporting the skin's barrier and retaining moisture. The CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser incorporates 3 essential ceramides that work in harmony to cleanse the skin efficiently while enhancing its ability to hold moisture. Hyaluronic acid is another powerhouse ingredient present in the cleanser that assists in retaining the skin's natural moisture, ensuring the skin remains hydrated even after a deep clean. The cleanser also does contain niacinamide, known as vitamin B3, which is known for its soothing properties, helping to calm the skin. Now, with the knowledge of the ingredients and their functions, it's time to take a look at how to use the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser in your skincare routine. Start with wetting your face with lukewarm water to prepare your skin for cleansing. You'll then use 2 pumps of the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser on your hands, then gently massage into your face in upward circular motions, including your neck and décolletage. After a minute of cleansing, rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. If it's nighttime, you always want to double cleanse the skin so you can go through with another cleanse. You will then follow up with your water-based serums, then oil-based serums, and finish with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, enhancing the skin barrier protection offered by the 3 essential ceramides in the cleanser. Now, this foaming cleanser is not suitable for those who have super dry or compromised skin, as it's tailored for more normal to oily skin types. It is still a foaming facial cleanser. So if you do have a dry or compromised skin, you can choose another cleanser from the CeraVe range that is more suitable for your skin type. And of course, if you have any skin reaction or irritation, stop using the product immediately, and you can always seek advice from a skin professional. Now, if you would love to learn more about skincare and how to create the perfect skincare routine with CeraVe products, check out our other CeraVe videos here.